Hazrat Hammad bin Zayd narrates that Azraq bin Qais said, "In Ahwaz, we were on the bank of a river whose water had dried. So Hazrat Abu Barza Aslami came riding on a horse and started performing the prayer and left his horse unfastened. The horse moved away, so he left the prayer and started pursuing it until he caught it, came back and performed the prayer. One of us was highly critical, so he said, 'Look at this old man who has nullified his prayer for the sake of the horse.' He turned towards him and said, 'Since I have been separated from the Prophet ﷺ, no one has passed such a nasty remarks against me. My house is extremely far. If I continued performing the prayer, letting the horse go, I could not reach my family until the fall of the night.' He then said, 'I have enjoyed the Prophet's company and saw that he ﷺ would go for convenience.' Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6127.